And now we have a van who's going to brave the flood. He's going to go through. We'll see if he makes it. It's now an hour after high tide, but the water level's still rising. Thursday, December 13, 2012. Looks as though he's going to get through. We'll see if the next car does it too. Sooner or later someone's going to get stuck. Okay, we'll see if this car makes it. I'm not even going to try in my Volvo. I shall wait until the water level goes down. And another van going through. China Camp State Park, California. King high tide, Thursday, December 13, 2012. Well, they both made it.